happy to be back in action. I missed you guys last week. If you don't know me, I'm Leighann. Nice to meet you. And if you do and you're back, thank you so much. I'm glad you're here. If you haven't been following along like on my vlog channel, Leighann Vlogs, or on Instagram, you probably don't know. Last week, I went to Disney World with my husband, Grant, to celebrate our 1-year wedding anniversary. Oh my gosh, it's been a year. I can't believe it either. Like, how did this happen? But we had so much fun. We've been planning this trip forever. If you want to see more of the trip, again, check out the vlogs. I will put links in the description. The vlogs go on for days and days. They might not even all be up at this point, but check the description if you're curious about more about the trip. But today, right now in this video, we're gonna be talking about all of my vacation outfits. Disney World. It's in Orlando, Florida. It's the summer. It is real hot, and let's just be real, it's basically miserable. It is like a very active, very sweaty, very miserable trip. Or it can be. Outfit planning is definitely key in this moment. You do not want to be miserable in the most magical place on earth, but really, these outfits could be inspiration for any summer vacation where it's gonna be really hot, really humid, you're gonna be active, but you wanna be comfortable and you still wanna be cute because hello, it's vacation, you wanna be cute. You're never gonna see any of these people again. You gotta put your best foot forward. It makes sense, right? So I'm gonna show you 7 outfits that I wore throughout the vacation that were cool, comfortable, I felt cute, and I didn't feel restricted at all. I mean, I made a couple little mistakes along the way, and I will definitely tell you about everything along the way. And then there's one bonus outfit that I wore for our anniversary date night at the Magic Kingdom. My outfit is inspired by a character. You'll see, unless you already saw it on Instagram. Everything that I wore, and I'm showing you in the outfits, like from the clips in the parks, I will link in the description down below, or if it's not available anymore, I'll try to find similar stuff in case you're planning your upcoming Disney trip, or you're just planning a summer vacation, or you just live in a really hot climate like I do in Texas or in Florida. There are a lot of hot places on earth. These are just good outfits, trust me. Okay, I think we're finally ready to just go ahead and look at the outfits, all of my hot, sweaty, but not miserable and pretty cute outfits. Okay, here we go. It's day 1, outfit 1. We're in Magic Kingdom. We went to all the Disney parks except for the water parks. I've never been to them. Am I missing out? I don't know. This outfit is very Minnie Mouse, as you can see. My t-shirt is from Zara. Zara has so much Disney, and my skirt is actually also from Zara. It has little baby daisies all over it, and you will quickly see skirts were my secret to success at Disney. And for my shoes, I have Teva midforms. They're black and white stripe. You'll see a better view of them in a later outfit, but they ended up being so comfortable and absolutely perfect for this trip in Orlando. It rains off and on a whole lot, so you want shoes that are gonna dry really quick but also be really, really comfortable, and these were perfect. I was so happy I had them. This is my little granny visor I got from H&M to give me a little bit more sun protection, and I just threw my ears on top because it's Disney, you just gotta do it big. And then a show started behind me and I got so surprised and also distracted, of course. My backpack is Loungefly and I ordered it from Amazon. It's so cute. It's obviously perfect for this outfit, and it was perfect for the trip because it's small, so it's not uncomfortable and it doesn't get heavy, but it holds so much stuff. I always had extra room, and the side pockets and the outside pocket kept my phone, sunglasses, and camera really, really handy, and obviously already getting really, really hot. Day 2, outfit 2, and we're in Animal Kingdom. I had never been to Animal Kingdom before, neither had Grant, and honestly, I didn't really know what to expect, but I knew it was gonna be a completely different experience than anything else I had ever done in a Disney park, and I was excited, and it was so much fun. And obviously, I went a little bit themed with my outfit. I mean, really, we all know I'm a very corny person, and if there's ever an opportunity to theme my outfit, I am all over that, and that is what I did here. My t-shirt is from Target, and it's a Lion King, and it's white, so it's really comfortable and lightweight, and I knotted it at the front because it's kind of a boxy crop top, and it looked really weird with the skirt from Zara. I loved this skirt. It fit me so well. And like I said, it was the secret to my success because it's just so cool and lightweight and fluttery. And it's, you know, not jean shorts. It's the opposite of jean shorts. And for my shoes, I wore my little granny Reeboks, and it did rain really, really hard this afternoon. And those shoes were completely soaked, but I tried to mix up my shoe choices so my feet didn't get completely worn out wearing the same shoes every day, even though I really love those Tevas. For my hat to protect my face from the sun, I don't really know what the brand is. I got it on vacation at some point. I don't even know where I got it. It was just in my closet and I brought it and it really came in handy. It's just a basic straw hat. For my backpack, it's kind of the same story. I've had it for years. It's from Nordstrom Rack and it's about the same size as the red Minnie Mouse backpack, and it was just really helpful to hold all my junk. Since this was the actual day of our anniversary, once we got rained out at Animal Kingdom, we raced back to the hotel, changed, and then came over to the Magic Kingdom to get to our reservation at Be Our Guest. As I hope you can tell, I was inspired by Belle for this outfit. I had big dreams of Disney bounding every day of the trip, and then once I really started shopping, I just realized I wanted to be cool and comfortable and make that my priority. So maybe someday down the road I will take on Disney bounding, but this is the only outfit I actually made it happen with. And I love this dress. It's from Zara. It was pretty inexpensive and it was comfortable, and I just wore it for the evening. I loved it. I tried to do my hair a little bit extra special, and the only thing I really regret about this outfit are the shoes. The chance of rain that evening was really, really high, so I didn't want to risk ruining the shoes that I brought for this outfit, so I wore my Tevas in the peach color. I love these shoes, just not with this outfit. And then it didn't even rain that night. I couldn't believe it, but whatever. Shoes don't matter, and we had an amazing night. Day 3, outfit 4. Those numbers are very imbalanced in my mind. I'm going to try to get past it. We're in Epcot. I'm living my best life in a World Showcase, and this is the look. It was beyond blazing hot this day. I've got my sunglasses on. I've got my hair up in a ponytail because my hair was also very dirty and I was just not dealing with it. Again, I'm wearing my sequin Minnie Mouse ears. These are ones that I've had for a long time, and they went with a lot of my outfits. I really only have 2 pairs of ears, and I got one of them on this trip. You haven't seen them yet, but you will. Again, I'm wearing that same Minnie Mouse backpack, and I forgot to unhook my granny visor, and I'm just realizing it. This outfit is a little bit different because obviously I'm not wearing a Disney shirt. I'm just wearing a plain solid red crop top that I found at H&M because I was obsessed with this skirt from Zara yet again, and I could not match it with a Disney shirt, and it killed me. Again, I'm wearing my black and white Tevas, so comfortable, so perfect for the rain, so perfect for the walking. I was so impressed. Day 4, outfit 5. This was a big day because we were in Hollywood Studios. I've loved this park ever since I was a kid. I still love it to this day. It was called MGM back then. It still hasn't made the switch in my brain. For my outfit, obviously, I'm kind of following a formula here, but I swear by this formula. It worked for me. It kept me cool, comfortable. It was amazing. This t-shirt, however, it's from Zara. It's a Muppets t-shirt. I love the Muppets. Muppets 3D is at Hollywood Studios, so it was perfect, but it's a dark color and that print on the front is really thick, so it made me so hot. So it was kind of a mistake. On the bottom, I have another polka dot skirt from Zara yet again. I'm sure you're bored with that, but I'm telling you, skirts are where it's at. Jean shorts are canceled. This is the only way to live. I'm telling you, go find one, wear it. As for my shoes, these are new sneakers. They are the Adidas Ultra Boost running shoes. They're my new shoes for working out. I got them only a couple of weeks before the trip, and I was a little nervous about breaking them in, but they were so comfortable, and I love them. Okay, outfit 6, we're back in Magic Kingdom and we're right outside one of my favorite rides, the Teacups. And of course, I'm wearing an Alice in Wonderland t-shirt. I love it. This outfit is perfect, except it is very similar to the day before. This is a dark color t-shirt. The print on it is huge and it's kind of thick and plasticky, so The sweat was rolling down into my bra. I know you did not need that visual, but that's what was happening. It was miserable. Please do not repeat my mistakes. I did repeat this skirt. It's from the first day. It's the one with the little tiny daisies on it. It's so comfortable and cute, and it's just blowing in the breeze. Isn't that a wonderful sight to see? On my feet, I have my peach Tevas. Again, they're so comfortable and perfect for the rain. I really can't get over that I like these horrendously ugly shoes, but I do. For outfit 7, we're back in Hollywood Studios, and we were park hopping throughout this trip, so even if I'm shooting the outfit in one place, it doesn't mean we stayed there the whole day. But this outfit is very Hollywood Studios to me, just the whole color palette. It's something very different for me, but I love how it turned out. It's kind of like green, purple, pink, neon, pastel, kind of everything all at once, but I feel like it works. This t-shirt, I absolutely love it, but what's weird is I love the back so much more than the front. I mean, does it get better than that? It's the classic Mickey and the least classic colors. Okay, again, I'm wearing a skirt. It's so cute. It's kind of 80s, and again, it's from Zara. Zara saved my life with these skirts. I cannot even express it to you. Again, I'm repeating these peach Tevas. I love them. They're obviously perfect for this outfit. For the last day, we went back to Magic Kingdom, and I grabbed one of those really good Mickey ice cream bars. And you know, you always see people taking Instagrams that are really cute where they're eating these extravagant snacks, and this one isn't even that extravagant. Well, the secret they don't tell you is you're not supposed to literally eat it while you're shooting your photo or your video. Well, some of us just have to learn the hard way. I found my Little Mermaid t-shirt on ASOS, and I'm happy to tell you that print on the front is not thick or plasticky. It did not make me hot. I love this t-shirt. I'm repeating this black and white polka dot skirt and repeating the backpack and repeating the shoes. You've pretty much seen everything at this point. All right, so that's everything. I really hope this video was helpful for you guys. Outfit planning for maybe an upcoming trip, upcoming Disney trip, vacation, or just a hot, sweaty day coming up. I've got a lot ahead of me here in Dallas, Texas. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you back. Give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoyed it. I think that helps my channel. Also, definitely leave me a comment if you have a video request. You can also find me on social media. It's LeighAnnSays everywhere, and I love talking to you guys over there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, everyone. You got Mr. Toast.